Do you know the 100 most common English phrases and words? In this lesson, you'll find out. This is the 100 most commonly used words and phrases series. In this lesson, we are going to learn the most commonly used words in English. If you've already watched a previous video I made on this, you learned the top 10 most used words and phrases. In today's lesson, we are going to learn from 11 to 20. So we're going to learn the next 10 phrases that are most commonly used in English. These phrases will help you speak more fluently and it will help you communicate with ease. In this lesson, we'll go over from 11 to 20, and after that, I will give you some sample role plays, a sample conversation, so you can understand how we use these phrases in context. All right, let's get started. Okay, number 11, see you later. Okay, so first, see you later means goodbye. It's another option that means goodbye. Now, let's work a little bit on pronunciation as well. So if it's written, it says see you later. But in pronunciation, I'll say see ya later, see ya later. Okay, so the pronunciation is a little bit different, so make sure you practice that as well. See ya later. Number 12, the most commonly used word, number 12, is what do you mean? This is a question when I don't understand something. I want to know the meaning of it. I want you to explain it to me more. Number 13, what do you mean was number 12. Number 13 is I don't understand. It's very similar to what do you mean? What do you mean is asking for an explanation. I don't understand just means, what? I don't understand. Number 14, can you help me? All right, so this is the number 14th most commonly used phrase. Can you help me? So if you need assistance, you want somebody to help you, then we will ask this question. Can you help me? Number 15, it's okay. It's okay. All right, let's look at pronunciation. Let's make sure we compact this phrase. It's okay. Let's make it a little bit faster. It's okay. It's okay. What does this mean? It means don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Number 16, I have to go. I have to go. Now in this phrase, we're using the verb have to. Have to means it's an obligation. It's almost like it's necessary. You must do something. So I have to go. It means I must leave. All right, so this is a really good time for me to ask you if you like these phrases so far, if you think these phrases will help your English, then please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, give me a big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Remember, this is a series. Today's lesson is from 11 to 20. The next video will be from 21 to 30, and so on, all the way up to 100. If you haven't watched 1 through 10, make sure you try to find that video as well. You'll probably find it linked somewhere in this lesson. Number 17, the 17th most popular, the 17th most commonly used English phrase. It's a phrase that I have used many, many, many times. It is, where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? So this question, we're using a where word, a where question word. If I use a where question word, it means I want to know the location of something. So where is always asking about a location. So in this question, I want to know the location of the bathroom. Now the bathroom, this is American English. And it's probably the most commonly used word, but it is American English. And it doesn't mean the place where you take a bath or the place where you take a shower. Bathroom means the place where the toilet is. It's the location of the toilet, not the location of the bath or where you take a shower. So where is the bathroom is asking where the toilet is. As I said before, bathroom is American English. Now, in other countries, they may use other words. So I want to ask you, do you know what they call the bathroom in England, in the UK? If you know, please comment down below. In Canada, we don't say bathroom. In Canada, we say washroom, washroom. In Japan, where I live now, they say toilet, toilet. Right? So it depends on where you live, we will have different words. Now there's also the word restroom. Restroom is only used to talk about public places. So if I'm out in public, if I'm at a shopping mall, if I'm at a restaurant, then maybe I would say, where is the restroom? Now, I could say bathroom in this situation also, but you can never say restroom in somebody's house. Okay? If it's somebody's house, please use bathroom. If you're in Canada, say washroom. Or if you're in the UK, please tell me what you say. Number 18. Number 18 is another question. This question is, how much does it cost? How much does it cost? This question is asking about the price. I want to know the price of something. Number 19, another question. This question is, what time is it? What time is it? So this question is asking for the time. You want to know the time. And number 20, the last one for this lesson, number 20 is, let's get started. Let's get started. I said this phrase at the very beginning of this lesson, of this video, and this means let's begin. Let's begin. So let's get started. Okay, so those were phrases 11 through 20. These are the most commonly used words in English, 11 through 20. Remember, I've already done 1 through 10 in another video. These are 11 through 20. Now, if you have any questions regarding any of these phrases, please ask them down below. I will definitely get back to you. Next, let's do some practice conversations, practice dialogues. This is also a chance for you to practice your speaking. So let's get started. Dialogue number 1. In this conversation, I am going to be using I have to go, it's okay, and see you later. I'm sorry I can't stay longer. I have to go. It's okay. See you later. See ya. Dialogue number 2. I will be using where is the bathroom? And in this situation, I am in a restaurant. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Oh, it's at the back of the restaurant. Just go straight. You can't miss it. Dialogue number 3. In this conversation, I am shopping, and I will use the 14th most commonly used phrase, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? Yes. Can you grab that black shirt up there for me? Sure. Here you are. How much does it cost? It's on sale for $19.99. Dialogue number 4. In this conversation, I will use, I don't understand. And? What do you mean? I don't understand why you're so upset with me. What do you mean? You ate my last piece of cake. Dialogue number 5. In this dialogue, we are at work. We are at work and we're about to start a meeting. In this, we will use what time is it and let's get started. What time is it? It's 9:30 a.m. Okay, let's get started with the meeting then. Okay, so how'd you do? How did you do with all of those dialogues? Did you practice your speaking? This is a great chance for you to practice 2 types of speaking. One is you can practice your shadowing. Shadowing is when you will speak at the same time I speak. Try to speak at the same speed I am speaking. This will help your fluency and this will help your overall sort of muscle memory in your brain. Second, another thing you can do is when I am speaking one side, you speak the other side. That way we're having a conversation and you're practicing your speaking. If you have any questions about any of these phrases, about any of the practice conversations, please leave them down below. These are really useful phrases. In fact, of course, they're the top 20 now, most commonly used phrases in English. So make sure you write them down, make sure you practice them in your daily English conversation. And I will be making the next video in this series. The next video will be from, 21 to 30. From 21 to 30 will be in the next video. So make sure you look out for that video as well. So until that time, see ya. Thank you for watching today's lesson. Today was part of the 100 most commonly used English words and phrases series. In today's lesson, we practice 11 through 20. So we learned the 11th to 20th most commonly used English phrases. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned a lot. If you did, please subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. So until the next video, see ya.